Starting around 19 July 2023, a share vastness really is exchanging at $6.39 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie explicitly has a complete market cap of $764,753,916, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,060,597 in an unpretentious manner. This sort of makes a share vastness, Axie, extremely positioning at 53 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the share vastness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will a share limitlessness especially be exceptionally worth in 2023? By and large, in opposition to prevalent thinking, is a share endlessness a truly wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they really thought. Will Axie's cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they for the most part thought. These truly are our share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in a huge manner. A share vastness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the share boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost certainly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $7.86, the normal sort of least value worth of a share limitlessness, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $7.54 fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Axie can sort of arrive at a very greatest value level of $8.41, in a kind of enormous manner. A share limitlessness, Axie, value estimate July 2023. The share endlessness, Axie cost for July 2023, may in every practical sense, arrive at an especially least worth of $6.01. While the sort of most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around $6.84, in a kind of enormous manner, the exceptionally normal cost for Axie essentially is especially anticipated to explicitly reach $6.65 in July 2023, showing how besides Axie can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $8.41. A share boundlessness value expectation August 2023. A share vastness value sort of is supposed to reach between $6.66 to $7.17 in August 2023, while the by and large normal cost of Axie for the August truly remains around $6.91 a share endlessness, Axie, value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of a share limitlessness for the most part is truly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $7.19, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $7.45 and a by and large least of $6.87, or so they truly thought. A share vastness value expectation October 2023. The cost of a share limitlessness in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a by and large least worth of $7.09 in October 2023, exhibiting that a share boundlessness value expectation August 2023. A share endlessness cost truly is supposed to essentially reach between $6.66 to $7.17 in August 2023. While the typical cost of Axie for the August in every way that really matters stays around $6.91 a share limitlessness, Axie, value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of a share limitlessness explicitly is anticipated to generally arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $7.19. While the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $7.45 and a very least of $6.87, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, the Axie cost could basically arrive at a very greatest worth of $7.73, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $7.41 all through 2023. Truly further appearance, how the really normal cost for Axie in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach $6.65 in July 2023, showing how besides Axie can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $8.41, which essentially is very huge. A share endlessness, Axie, value estimate November 2023. The share limitlessness, Axie cost for November 2023, may basically arrive at and in every way that really matters, least worth of $7.37. while the sort of most extreme gauge cost truly is around $8.10 in a very significant manner. The especially normal cost for Axes explicitly is somewhat anticipated to reach $7.63 in November 2023 in a very huge way. A share vastness cost expectation December 2023. A share endlessness cost truly is supposed to sort of reach between $7.54 to $8.41 in December 2023. While the truly normal cost of Axes for the December basically remains around $7.86 a share limitlessness, especially past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the a share infinity S cost, basically has shown a decent increment of 2.57% as of now. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. From sort of most recent 7 days the Axis fundamentally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.82% in an unobtrusive manner. A share endlessness in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, sort of additional appearance. How a share boundlessness value expectation October 2023. The cost of a share vastness explicitly is generally anticipated to reach at a very least worth of $7.09 in October 2023. Exhibiting that a share limitlessness value forecast August 2023, a share endlessness cost truly is supposed to sort of reach between $6.66 to $7.17 in August 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Axes for the August truly remains around $6.91 a share boundlessness, Axes, value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of a share endlessness truly is anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $7.19, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $7.45 and an especially least of $6.87 in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Axes certainly diminished by 31.973%, taking out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $3 from its kind of current worth, which is genuinely critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a sort of good fundamentally purchase a valuable open door for truly speedy venture. Exhibiting how these truly are our share limitlessness cost expectations for Axes S future, which really is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 45.50%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from a very least truly normal cost of $10.80 to especially most extreme fundamentally normal cost of $12.31 in the beyond 90 days. Exhibiting how the 90 days cost change by and large is near